Are you struggling with a Laravel relationship not working? If you've encountered the dreaded getConnectionName error, you're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel this issue and get your code back on track. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your code just won't cooperate. You might feel like you're chasing your tail, trying to figure out why your relationships aren't working as expected. Trust me, this is a common hurdle for many developers. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user reached out with a question about their Laravel setup involving two tables, users and user details. They shared their code for defining relationships, but when trying to access user data with details, they encountered a fatal error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this getConnectionName error? This typically happens when there's a mismatch in your model definitions, or when Laravel can't find the expected connection. We'll break down the code and identify the root of the problem. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a crucial tip that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the error the user is encountering, we first need to check the relationship definitions in the models. The user should ensure that the namespace for the user details model is correctly defined. Next, the user should verify that the user details model extends the correct base model. It should extend the Eloquent model provided by Laravel. Now, the user should check the database connection settings in the configuration file. They need to ensure that the database connection is properly set up in the .env file. Finally, the user should ensure that they are using the correct method to retrieve the user data with details. Instead of calling user directly, they should use the user model to access the relationship. Fun fact, did you know that Laravel was created by Taylor Otwell in 2011? It has since become one of the most popular PHP frameworks, and for good reason. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests cleaning up your code for better readability. They recommend using the model names directly in your relationship methods. This makes your code easier to understand and maintain. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your model paths and relationships. A small typo can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the getConnectionName error and get your Laravel relationships working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.